Hi, this is Professor Kulikovsky. I will be teaching Computers in Society 405 this semester, and I look forward to seeing you all in a little while on WebEx. The course is going to be a very exciting one because issues of how computers affect all our lives are absolutely critical. They have been essential in being able to develop the informatics at the basis of getting the vaccines for taking care of the worst plague that we've had in our lives so far. They're also essential for cybersecurity, which is very, very important, and for all the kinds of things that go on with social media, where one needs to have some very interesting filters for what can be disinformation versus what might be truth. And so one of the big questions then is, how does society, how do we both take advantage of these incredible technologies, but also take great care not to be hurt by them, because they are, after all, like all fantastic tools, can be used as weapons. So the complexity of our systems and the complexity of human beings is something, and how they interact is something that we're going to be exploring. And in this course, there are a number of interesting books having to do with the introduction of computers in the context, in the case of the Diamond Book, of societies all the way to ancient times, because the first technology that is important for computers is that of language, of written language specifically, because that matches what we do with computers in communicating with them through different codes. And it's very important for us to understand how there's a big difference, now that we're moving into the Internet of Things, in how we communicate with each other through machines, and make sure that we do so in an ethical way that will be advantageous not only to us, but to society. And that's one of the important topics, again, will be game theory and how that ties in with real gaming. And I'll be asking you in this course to do a project or a strong term paper so that you can explore either design and the development of games and what you can do with them and how they affect how we live, how we think, and how we can play in ways that are either risk-averse, neutral, or risk-seeking, depending on our decision-making. Because all decision-making, in a sense, is gambling. It depends on probability, so we'll go into the field that I'm a specialist in, which is pattern recognition and artificial intelligence. And what we'll be doing is looking at the impact of that on society, since deep learning is such an important field currently, which is greatly exaggerated in some ways, but is making fantastic developments, like what has been critical for the developments of vaccines. So I look forward to seeing you soon, and I hope we'll have fun in this course together, and we'll enjoy exploring a whole variety of new topics at the interface between computers and society. Thank you.